Okay, so today we're on day 27. Although you say it's 28, I think it's 20.
27.
It is. Oh, great. Okay. So some things have come up. Like we just really have to be straight. We've had a couple of days of debauchery. We had karaoke and pizza and a little red wine. And that's totally normal because we all have to live our real lives. And so we are going to talk about that a little bit today. What do we do when we eat foods that aren't on our plan for our blood type, or are they part of the whole program for the total body detox? So what do you have any ideas? What are your thoughts about it, Mika?
So I definitely feel in this last week that life has kind of got me. We had some work events and I've kind of fallen off the eating for the 45-day detox. But, today I woke up and I've made that extra conscious decision to, recalibrate and get back into it.
Mm-hmm.
But with that, I also did miss a couple supplement days.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking you guys are on day 27. There's a part of me that I kind of want to backtrack and start back at like day 20 so I can feel like I can get all of that again, full force in me. So how does that sound?
Well, it sounds great
Mm-hmm.
if you're a person that likes to backtrack, but I don't recommend it. Clinically, we found that it's better if you keep going and go a couple days longer.
Mm-hmm.
So just extend it.
Okay.
Okay, so you actually want like 7 additional days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just extend it and maybe even stay on Artemisian clove for like a week longer at the end.
Yeah, I'm definitely planning on, keeping up with this even once the entire 45 days are up, because I do see the benefits and I want to keep up with it for sure.
Yeah, I was telling Macy today like how clear my mind is. I don't want to give it up. Like it's even not worth a cup of coffee for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you have any thoughts you wanted to share about that?
So I really haven't felt guilty about the cheat meals I've had or the things, because it's just I've been following it pretty well so far. So it's just like we talked about it early. Like, there are certain things that you do when you're going to have a certain thing that's not part of the plan. You eat a couple of extra things or so
that are beneficial.
So I really haven't felt that guilt, and because I set up all my pills on Sunday for the entire week, it's made it extremely easy for me to make sure that I take all of my pills every day. But for the last 2 days, I missed. Again, it was around the time that we had a lot of work things got busy. But I also felt that this weekend I would take my time, and just setting everything up for the week also helps mentally prepare you for doing it. So, but I feel the same energy that you feel. I'm like, I want to get up, and we had kind of a late night a couple of nights this week, and still I was like, I'm going to be there at 7:30 for working out because it feels so good. Like you said, I don't want to give it up. I don't want to go back to how it felt before.
So the thing that you can do, Mika, is do like 6 to 8 Wobenzyme with your bad food choices.
Okay.
If you're not going to balance them. I know it's a lot, but it'll really help break down all the different things that are in the food that is hard for you to metabolize. I'd say take 3 to 4 for just beneficial, enzyme production. But if you really know that you're eating something that doesn't work well, is you can take more than your usual amount of Wobenzyme with that meal, and that'll really help. And it'll help you feel better. You'll notice a difference. So that's one of the tricks. And then the other one is lemon and water. So we were talking about the fact that some people may think that just putting the lemon in the water is what we mean, but what we actually mean is squeezing it completely. And this is so beneficial for digestion. It supports the liver. It helps the liver make the digestive enzyme bile, which helps break down our fats. And so this is a really great thing to do. I think I'm probably drinking 3 to 5 glasses of lemon and water a day, and it tastes great and it feels great. So And that's what it should look like, just a little bit cloudy. That's how you kind of know you have enough lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so Sam wanted to talk about, we have started adding in Lady Passion and Red Rooster. So this is the balancing of hormones portion of the Total Body Detox. And so whether you're male or female, you're going to do both, because Lady Passion opens the receptive side of a person, whether you're male or female, and Red Rooster helps with that driving force, and that's the balance of our hormones. So even for men, it's quite great for them to be getting their endocrine system honed up with even some of the female hormones that go on. So this is something that I was going to suggest that we do a little Red Rooster, like 2 dropperfuls before we work out in the morning going forward. I know it's in the afternoon time, but I think you guys might like the kick it gives you and the sustainability, like holding the poses longer.
Ooh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start that on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we were to work out, because sometimes I work out in the morning with you guys, and then even after work I go on a light jog.
Mm-hmm.
How would I be able to take it both times?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be an issue. Okay.
No. Mm-mm. The only time that you would know that it's an issue is if when you look at your tongue in the mirror and the edge of your tongue is red. That means you've got too much kidney yang going on, and a little heart fire. So yeah, then you just add in some loving energy.
Okay.
Yeah, and that will balance that out and tone it down. Yeah. Any questions about Lady Passion or Red Rooster or that's this part of day 27?
I did, but again, you answered them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you answered them for me already.